Tammy and Florence grew up on the same street, same dust on their shoes, same laughter after school, same secrets whispered at night. People thought they were twins, not because they looked alike, but because they were never apart. They shared clothes, dreams, fears, and food. If one cried, the other felt it. If one smiled, the other smiled wider. They went to same elementary school, same high school dreams, same future plans. People said, they are young, something will end this friendship. But Tammy and Florence loved each other with their whole heart, and they did not see an end in sight. When it was time for high school, life tested them. Florence gained admission into school Tammy dreamed of. Tammy tried, but she did not get in. Florence smiled in front of everyone, but her heart was heavy. She stopped eating well, stopped laughing the same way. She told her parents she was sick. Days passed, then weeks. By the time the school asked Florence to return, the admission window had closed. She stayed home, quiet, calm, and waiting. People were confused. How can someone give up a good school like that? But Florence was not confused. She was choosing love. Finally, Tammy secured admission into the same school, and only then did Florence return. They walked through the school gate together, side by side, like they were always had. They went through high school together, even college too. Life pushed at them in different ways, but they always found their way back. They learned that love is not always loud. Sometimes it's quiet sacrifice. Sometimes it is waiting. Sometimes it is giving up something good so someone else does not walk alone. People kept waiting for their friendship to break. It never did. And Tammy and Florence kept choosing each other.